Welcome to the 𝐤𝐠 NX Master Course, an advanced engineering program designed to transform you into an industry-ready CAD/CAM professional. This comprehensive dual pathway program, designed by IIT Patna and delivered by Baroda Institute of Technology, offers specialized tracks in product design or CNC manufacturing. The program features a complete learning pathway from foundation to career success. You start with the required base, progress to core skills, and then select your specialization track in CAD, CAM, or the integrated dual path. The foundation track, Phase 1, covers CAD, CAM, and PLM essentials. Key learning outcomes include solid modeling, assembly design, and drafting standards, serving as the prerequisite for specialization. The intermediate track prepares you with advanced CAD modeling and multi-body design. You will master advanced part modeling, understand parametric versus synchronous technology, and learn complex assembly management techniques. The CAD specialization track focuses on aesthetics and function, combining advanced surfacing for Class A aesthetics and precise sheet metal design. Projects include auto body panels and consumer product shells. The CAM specialization track focuses on digital to physical production. You will master 2.5D and 3-axis milling, turning operations, toolpath optimization, and machine simulation to generate verified G-code. You choose your path: CAD specialization for design roles, CAM specialization for manufacturing roles, or the integrated CAD/CAM track for the most versatile end-to-end product engineer roles. The tool-wise learning pathway progresses from beginner fundamentals through intermediate core modeling skills to specialized paths in either design or manufacturing, culminating in the professional integrated expert level. The advanced professional track integrates CAM projects and career readiness. This phase includes advanced design and assembly, design for manufacturing, process planning, and a capstone project like the Aero Engine Turbine Blisk. Graduates pursue high-impact careers such as NX CAD designer, CNC programmer, or the highly versatile CAD/CAM engineer, focusing on end-to-end product workflows. View our student project showcase, featuring real-world designs by our graduates. These include complex assemblies, Class A surfacing, sheet metal fabrication, and advanced manufacturing projects. Start your career transformation today. Enroll in the 𝐤𝐠 NX Master Course with curriculum designed by IIT Patna and expert delivery by BIT Baroda. Visit our website or contact us to secure your spot.